How to log out of the PhotoMath app. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've installed the PhotoMath app. Once you've downloaded the app, launch the app on your phone. When you launch the app, it will directly open up the camera app. From here, you can easily scan the mathematical problems that you want to solve. So you don't need to sign up or log into your account in order to access this app. You can access all the features of this app without having to be signed in or create any account. Only if you want to use the PhotoMath Plus section, which is the premium version. If you want to subscribe to the PhotoMath Plus, you might need to provide your payment details and other stuff. But you don't have to sign into any account in order to use this app. For example, I'm not signed into any account over here, and it has already opened up the camera. So I'll directly point this camera into the mathematical problem. I'll capture this, and it will instantly come up with the solutions. So you don't need to sign into any account over here. And therefore, you don't have any need to log out of your account of the PhotoMath app. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.